Kane Ka video kadai shaphang Kawei Ka scam call center kabudan ha Delhi Gurugram.
Is this the only card you have? Because that will cost more money. Hey, why are you crying, man? You're a very good man.
How benai me alja ka kandai way na tinong British blood krteng ko Jim Browning badan ru ka YouTube channel lawat sabut ba kumno ki brio kidai ki bana ai ki ba scam new brio who hacked Kawei Ka scam call center ka badan ha Delhi who hacked ya baro ki CCTV ki badan ha ka to ka building. Kane Ka video fi iaka CCTV footage jong Kane Ka building.
This looks like.
Thank you for calling Online Technical Support. This is Mary. How may I help you today?
Hadian bola del hack ya CCTV lo pelit boy iti penai dan lock lo iti sisa baro shaphang Kane Ka call center. Kini kidai di CCTV jong baro ki badan ha Kane Ka building. Kane Ka CCTV kidai ka masapal jong ka building. Kini kimala naduna po upreg siyamba kini kindai kita ki scam katpum ka jintrikaw jongki berudak petho ha Ndray kini ka building basya jerong isyam bakidai scam call center ya kini beturju kini ka building la iarap da uwi YouTuber basya ini scam na India uday Karl Rock ula iarap bandrinder ya Kane Ka building la Kane Ka footage ko finci imba finci send beki pop-up na kita fake message beki phone number jengki type message kenang ba break call kita pi number jengki bagi tapuru bagi data beri nanti Microsoft tapuru dah kalapang bisa kedua barang manual power beri.
Important security message. Please do not attempt to shut down or restart your computer.
Thank you for holding the line. I really appreciate your time and patience. My name is Lawson.
It's starting warm right here, huh?
Yeah, it is very hot here in California.
Bloody hell, that's to come over there.
Services which got broken, alright?
Yeah, I see that.
Sir, there would be a charge of $12.95, okay? So let me get it done. Hey, why are you crying, man? You're a very good man. Why are you crying?
I'm suffering from depression.
No, sir. Everything will be okay. Don't worry, okay?
Yeah.
Now, promise me you won't cry again.
Tip ba kayaknya kita kapoy hadu pada dengan scam call dan kita fake call apa sih benar kini beri hitam bagi day company computer ni company bank dan ni kita diberi sampai ke soka UK. Kane Ka po fungsi bau new Jim Browning kuali way ni kini nong tray put na ka CCTV put kulichin kirieki.
Just do one thing, sir. I will just check what exactly wrong is going on.
Right, so you're in the UK.
No, right now we are located in San Jose, California.
Can you name me one restaurant in San Jose?
What kind of question is that, sir?
Without looking at Google.
No, I'm not Googling it, sir.
I bet you're looking at Google right now.
I'm not doing that, sir. Why don't you do one thing, sir? Okay, book your ticket to California and you will find me.
Well, I have to book my ticket to Delhi.
Book your ticket and come tomorrow to California. Why you're looking on the Google, sir?
I just can't understand why you're not honest here, because I can see exactly what's going on.
I'm very honest, sir.
I just want to know why you're scamming people.
I don't want to answer these questions, sir. You've wasted much of my time.
No, you cut me off.
Wat menta PCE manu badai trajong kani ubudai u Amit Chauhan.
Hello, is that Amit?
Yes.
Hi, Amit Chowan?
Yes.
I'm calling from the BBC and I'd like to get your comment, please, on allegations that you're scamming people in the UK out of thousands of pounds. What would you like to say to that, Mr. Chowan?
No, I don't think so. There is any case like that.
People have told us at the BBC here that you have been scamming them through a call centre based in Gurugram, based out of a building called Sonnet Tower. Do you work from that building? Mr. Chowan?
This crime is a difficult crime. It's difficult to crack because we don't have victim, we don't have accused, we don't have anything. It's very difficult to link the accused with the victim. It's even difficult to find who is the accused.